If you are in a separation right now and wondering what your person is thinking about you, well, here's your message. I feel that right now your person is completely helpless, and the silence between both of you, the lack of communication, it could be hitting them harder than you might think. They want to reach out, they think about it often, but something is holding them back. Now, it could be fear of rejection, their own pride, or just not knowing how to fix things because a lot of messes happened in the past. They feel stuck mentally, emotionally, like they are trapped in their own thoughts with no clear way forward. But deep down, they still want you in their life because you haven't left their heart. They miss the comfort, the way you made them feel, cared for them, and understood them. So even if they are acting distant or cold today, it's just a mask. Behind the scenes, they are throwing themselves into work or distractions just to cope up, but none of them is really filling up the void. So, what they truly want is success in the relationship. They want to feel close to you again. You've always been nurturing, calming. This energy is something that they are craving right now more than ever. And they miss that emotional connection, the way you made them feel safe and seen, most important. So now what's coming? I feel it's going to be a big transformation. The separation has been like a wake up call for them. And you'll start to see changes, efforts being made, steps being taken that they did not take before. They're manifesting a reunion, and spiritually, it feels like both of you are being guided back to each other. Now, there's potential here for a true spiritual union and not just surface level stuff. And the question that comes in your mind is, so what's the difference this time? So, they're going to have the confidence to be real with you, to open up and accept what they truly feel. As for the timing, expect shifts within a month, or something significant could unfold for both of you around the month of June.